Future century agriculture has always been the backbone of human civilization. From the first seeds planted thousands of years ago to the modern machinery of today, farming has shaped economies, societies, and cultures. As we move into the future century, agriculture is set to undergo a transformation like never before. Driven by technology, sustainability, and the growing needs of an expanding population, future agriculture will redefine how we produce, consume, and protect food. Technological revolution in farming. The future of agriculture will be dominated by technology. Precision farming, powered by artificial intelligence, AI, drones, and robotics, will enable farmers to monitor crops in real time, optimize water usage, and detect diseases before they spread. Sustainable practices for a growing world. As the global population is expected to surpass 9 billion by 2050, sustainability will become a cornerstone of agriculture. The future will focus on regenerative farming techniques that restore soil fertility and biodiversity rather than depleting them. Renewable energy, such as solar-powered irrigation systems, will replace fossil fuel-based methods. Reduced use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides will protect both human health and the environment. Genetic innovations and crop resilience. Biotechnology will also play a major role in the future century of farming. Genetically improved crops will be more resistant to pests, diseases, and changing climates. These crops will ensure stable yields even under harsh conditions like droughts and floods. Scientists are also exploring lab-grown meat and alternative proteins, which could reduce the environmental footprint of traditional livestock farming. Digital marketplaces and global connectivity. The agriculture of the future will not just be about growing food but also about distributing it more fairly. Digital platforms and blockchain technology will make food supply chains more transparent and efficient. Farmers will be able to directly connect with consumers, ensuring fair prices while reducing food waste. Global connectivity will allow even small-scale farmers in rural areas to access markets worldwide. Challenges and responsibilities. Despite these advancements, the future of agriculture will face significant challenges. Climate change, water scarcity, and land degradation remain serious threats. Ethical concerns around genetic modification and artificial food production will need to be addressed. Moreover, ensuring that small farmers are not left behind in this technological revolution will be crucial for global equality. Conclusion. The future century of agriculture promises to be a blend of science, sustainability, and social responsibility. With innovations in technology and a stronger focus on protecting the environment, farming will evolve into a more efficient, resilient, and inclusive system. The fields of tomorrow may look different from those of today, but their mission will remain the same: to feed humanity and nurture the planet.